don't know where or how you're going to trade if and when you decide to trade. So I've just put this together because this can make a difference sometimes. It's just a little reminder for you. If you're going to trade electronically, there could be an occasion when you lose access to the market. Maybe your computer's frozen, maybe your excuse me, maybe your internet's gone down. Could be a variety of different reasons. So it's very important to have your contact details for your broker available, and obviously your own account name, number, all the relevant information regarding your account. Because when you phone up, he's going to want all that from you before he's actually going to help you. And what you need to check with that broker is if you still have any outstanding orders in the market. If there are any and you don't actually need them to exit a position, then cancel them until you regain control. If you haven't got one in place, make sure you add a stop loss. Also check what was the last time of your last trade, and that's useful to make sure it's where you thought your last trade was. And then of course, always finally, if you have any current position. Finally, an important factor is to find out what went wrong. Why did you lose that connection? Because it's something that you're going to need to address if it becomes a consistent issue. So, just trying to prepare you. Just have all these details at hand. You never know when you may need